Hello, good morning, dears. Very warmly welcome to all of you. So, yesterday in our grammatical class, we have started section C, notice making. So, my dear, notice plays very vital and important role in schooling life or in college or in university or public official office. Okay, because notice is a piece of information which is given to a large number or large group of people. We inform them about an event or a program that is scheduled for some time in future. Okay, so that's why notice plays very important role. Okay, and I have discussed yesterday. Okay, I have discussed yesterday that the point to remember in your mind how to write notice. So number one, okay, you should write the notice in brief all the time. Okay, then number one, a notice must be kept in a box. A notice must be enclosed in a box. Keep the notice in a box. Okay, then your word limit should not exceed 50 words. Okay, you should write in 50 words. Okay, but your word limit should not exceed 50 words. Then you should write only relevant information. Okay, only relevant information you have to write. No need to write irrelevant information. Okay, then you should start a notice from a fresh page always. Okay, and then everything just mentioned clearly in the notice. Okay, so from the newer first or fresh page use for notice. Okay, then don't use personal pronoun. Okay, means don't need to use personal pronoun like I, me, you. Okay, we, I, me, you, we, no need to use. You can use third person. Okay, you can use third person. Okay, a notice is written in the third person. You can use third person pronoun for that. And no need to write active form. Okay, active voice. Okay, use passive voice while writing notice. Use passive voice. Okay, and we have yesterday we have seen the one thing also. Okay, then the bodies, how to conduct its body. So number one, number on the top, number one, if we talk about number one, so write name of the institution, name of the school, college, university in capital letter. Okay, number two, notice. Okay, so the word notice also mentioned in capital letter. The word notice is written in capital letter. Number three, date. If we talk about the date, so on left hand side, you have to mention date. Okay, mention date, left hand side. Okay, and you see the way of mentioning that date. How you mention date? First, you just write a date in figure, then name of the month, then comma. Put comma between year and the month, then year. Okay, so 5th July, 5th the in figure. Okay, July month, then comma, then year. Okay, and if we talk about number four, so number four, your heading of the notice in block letter. You see, drawing and painting competition. So there is a heading of notice. The subject, the topic, the heading which you had been asked, which you are going to inform. So write in block letters. Means first letter keep capital, then rest small. And if we talk about fifth, so then now you have to check for what, when, where. Check what, when, where. What means what is going to take place, what will be going to take place in forthcoming days. What, when means you should mention, when means you should mention the particular date or day or time. Then where means here you have to mention about, where means the place, venue. Okay, venue. So you should mention the place, venue. Okay, so then in the last, if we talk about last, so now in last you should mention name and designation. Okay, you have to mention name and designation of the person issuing the notice or issuer. Okay, in bracket. Okay, name, designation. Okay, name and designation of a person. Okay, so like that you can make notice. So today we will solve three notices for 8th standard class. Okay, will be really helpful for your upcoming exam. You should learn. Okay, everything, all the three notices. It's your responsibility to learn for exam. So you are Vaishali Sharma, yeah, Bebhav, you are Bebhav or Vaishali, a wise head girl or boy, whatever. Okay, you have given the school, Oxford High School, Bahadurgarh. Then your school is organizing an inter-class drawing and painting competition. Yes, inter-classes means for all the classes, drawing and painting competition. Okay, from 5th to 8th. Okay, 5th to 8th, all the class will participate. All the classes can be participate. Okay, so you should drop the notice for the students for forthcoming drawing and painting competition, inter-school painting competition. So yes, you do as I tell you. Number one, heading number one, the name of the school or organization or institution in capital letter, Oxford Public School. Number two, the word notice, write in capital. Okay, notice. Number three, the date in proper way. Okay, 5th July 2020. Okay, so you see the date. How you start? You first keep the date, then the month, then the year. Okay, and number four, on fourth place, you just keep the subject concerning. Okay, which you had been asked, which you are going to ask. Drawing and painting competition in block letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, what, when, where, means what is going to take place. So this is to inform all the students of class 5th to 8th. We are going to inform you. We are going to inform all the student of 5th to 8th, but we are not using personal pronoun. We'll not use personal pronoun. We'll use third person. Okay. So this is to inform all the students of class 5th to 8th about what? What is going to take place in forthcoming days. So about the drawing and painting competition. About the drawing and painting competition to be held in the school. Drawing and painting competition to be held in the school. So what? Then when? When? Date? On 15 July. Okay, time 9 to 11. Okay, then where? Okay, where the competition is going to take place? So central courtyard. Okay, central courtyard of the school auditorium. Okay, then you just declare, you announce for a prize also. Okay, it encourage to students to get participate in exam prize. So you are giving first prize 2000 rupees, second prize is 1500, and third thousand, and third prize 1000 rupees. So you declare prize also to get them energetic. Okay, and for encouraging them to get participate in the competition. So then certificate will be awarded to all the participants. Yes, all the participants, uh, they enrolled. Okay, they engage themselves in the participants who participate in the exam. Okay, certificate must be given to him. Okay, and now it is the competition related to some materials. Okay, you have to bring some material because it is the competition of drawing and painting. So you need sheet. Okay, you need paint brush. Okay, you need the raw materials. So drawing sheet will be provided by the school. You no need to worry about the drawing sheet. Okay, you don't need any confusion for a drawing sheet. The drawing sheet will be provided by the school. School provide the drawing sheet. For further details, contact the undersigned. Okay, you have any query, you have any doubt, so just contact to undersigned. So to whom? So sign. Okay, so this place, fifth place, you mention sign. Okay, you sign Bebhav Sharma. Okay, vice head boy. So you have to meet and assign. Okay, so it is about fifth. Okay, means we have mentioned a notice. Okay, and now we are just going to next notice. We are going for the next notice. Okay, number two. So you study. Okay, you study in Lotus Public School. You are a student of Lotus Public School. Okay, your school is holding a cultural fiesta. Okay, fiesta for collecting fund. Okay, you are going to collect fund for flood victims of Kashmir. Okay, there was a flood in Kashmir. Okay, and a thousand of people died in that flood. Okay, and thousands of people are also rescued in that. So you are going to help them. There are many victims of flood, okay, at that area. So arrange you are going to arrange fund for them. Okay, you are going to arrange fund for them. Okay, so for that you need a notice on notice board. about the forthcoming program, when, what, where. Okay, and sign yourself as Ketan Mehta, cultural secretary. So you should sign yourself. Okay, means who wrote this notice, who made this notice. So you are cultural secretary. So first, name of the school, Lotus Public School Delhi in capital letter. Number two, the word notice in capital. Number three, the date mentioned on left hand side. Okay. Number four, the concerning subject in block letters. Okay. Appeal for flood victims. You are going to appeal, and the appeal will be socialized. Uh, the appeal is related to society. You are going to appeal to society. Okay, means you are making notice for social. Okay, for social cause. So appeal for flood victims. You are appealing for flood victims. So you have just discussed for 4 points. Then number five, what, when, where. Okay, we'll see. What content we are giving content in main body of notice. Okay, in format, what, when, where. Okay, so we'll see how we inform. Okay, so then after it, after number five, what, when, where, we'll see, will give name and designation of the person. Okay, name and designation of the person will give them. Okay, so let's start. So this is to bring to the notice. Okay, no need to use what name, personal pronoun. Always use third person. Always use passive voice. Okay, we will use passive voice always. So this is to bring to the notice of a student of all the classes. This is to bring to the notice of a student of the all classes. Means it is not for the particular classes. It is for all. Okay, that a cultural fiesta, a cultural meet, a cultural region is being organized. A cultural program is being organized by the school. The school is going to organize a cultural fiesta. Okay, and it is for all. It is for all the students. Okay, so the money, we are going to collect money. We are going to collect fund. Okay, and we'll send the fund to the Prime Minister Relief Fund. Okay, the money collected will go to the money which we are going to collect, and we will give the money to the Prime Minister Relief Fund. There is a fund, there is a funding system. Okay, started by Prime Minister. So it is called, it is known Prime Minister Relief Fund for the flood victims of Kashmir. Okay, so we are sending our money for flood victims in Kashmir. Okay, so the program is as follow. Okay, so we are showing about the program. So the program is as follow. Okay, so now we have to mention date. Okay, time, venue. So date, on date 21st September, time 4 p.m. Venue, where? So school auditorium. Ticket. Okay, so there is a cultural program. Okay, for funding we are going to charity. So it needed some ticket, because your ticket also included in that. Okay, the money, the money what we arrange. Okay, for funding, the money uh, comes from ticket. The money comes from ticket. Okay, so that's why the ticket is being kept 100 each. Okay, means 100 rupees you have to pay for that. And from your ticket also they arrange fund. Chief guest, who is going to be chief guest? Mr. S.K. Goswami, SSP North Division. Means you call a dignitary person. Okay. And for further detail, you have any query, you have any question, doubts, you can ask, you can contact undersigned. Who is undersigned? Ketan Mehta, Cultural Secretary. So it was about notice. Then see third notice. Okay. You are Megha Gupta or Mehul. Okay. You are head boy and girl in St. Mary Dehradun. Okay. So just you should notice for what? You are going to inform classes 9 to 12th about a workshop. Okay, there is a workshop. So workshop on what? On table manners, etiquettes. Okay, how to well behave, how to eat, how to walk, how to communicate. Okay, everything means table manners. And if we talk about the table manners, how to eat. Okay, how to eat while supper, dinner, dine. Okay, and etiquettes. Okay, our manners, related to manners. So it is going to take place in your school. Okay, so that's why they are informing you by notice. Okay, so there is a workshop for class 9 to 12th, okay, on table manners and etiquette. So that's why they are going to inform you. So how they inform? Number one, okay, St. Mary School Dehradun. Number one means the name of institution, organization, or school. Number two, the word notice in capital letter. Number three, the way of writing date, month, and year. Okay. Number four, concerning subject. Okay, in block letters. Number five, what and what, when, where. Okay. And number six, designation or undersign or sign. Okay. So we'll see number six, number five. Okay. This is to inform. No need to use personal pronoun. Use third person always. Okay. And no need for active voice. No need to write in active voice. Use passive voice always. So this is to inform all the student of class 9 to 12th. Okay. We are going to inform you, but we don't mention it by saying we are going to inform you. Okay. This is to inform. This is to inform because no need to use personal pronoun like I, we, you, they. Okay. This is to inform all the student of class 9 to 12th. You have given this about a workshop on table manners and etiquette. Okay. You see the first line already you have given in the question. Okay. In notice, 50%, okay, not 50%, 80% already given to you in question. Okay, in notices. So this is inform all the student of class 9 to 12th about a workshop. There is a workshop on table manners and good etiquettes or good behavior. Now you have completed fifth requirement. Okay, in fifth, what you have completed means what is going to take place in forthcoming days. What now, when and where. So will be held in the school auditorium. Where? In the school auditorium. Where the workshop will held in the school auditorium. And when? On 25th October 2020. Okay. And when? On which date? Wednesday. On what time? 8 a.m. Okay. Then it is mandatory for all the student. It is mandatory means it is must to join. Okay. It is must to join by concern. Okay. Who had given in form. So it is mandatory for all the student to attend the workshop. It is must for all the student to attend the workshop. For any type of query, if you have any query, if you have any doubt, so contact the undersigned. Who is undersigned here? So the undersigned is Megha Gupta. Last 6 point. Megha Gupta, head girl. Okay. So it was all about the notices. Okay, you should learn every notice for exam. Okay, you have given 3 notices, so I'm giving you homework to prepare the notice for forthcoming exam in December. Okay, start from 14. Okay, so learn properly. Thank you.